Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our R2 build. We have issue 83 right here. We have our parts, and it looks like we're going to finish off that dome ring, or excuse me, not dome ring, the frame ring. And we've got some more electronics and stuff. So let's get this stuff open and see what we got. And here are the parts we get with this issue. We have another piece of the top ring section. We have a center stop, nice little piece of rubber here. A couple more ring connectors, 2 sensor mounts, the left and right rotary sensors, and a couple of sensor cables. Alright, we're going to kick this issue off by assembling the rest of the ring frame here. So we'll just slide these connectors underneath the edges of the previous assembly. And then we'll take the final piece here and make sure that the writing on it, the label, is facing upwards. We'll just slide that puppy in. And 4 more of those 4mm silver screws to hold it in place. And would you look at that? One more ring frame completed. Next up, we're going to attach the sensors to the sensor mounts here. And what we're going to do, you can see there are the 2 holes just like that. There are 2 more holes right here. And you've got this indentations here on one side. Well, those indentations are going to be facing upwards, and we're going to slide it in just like this. We're going to do 2 of the 6mm screws right through there, and we're going to repeat that on the other sensor. All right, look at those. All right, next up, we are going to attach the sensors to the ring. And we'll take the ring in this orientation. The writing is facing up. These connectors are facing down. And you can see we've got 2 little slots here and here. This is for the left sensor. And you can see it just kind of slides into that slot just like that. And then the mount lines up with these holes, and we'll use 2 of the 6mm screws in there, and we will repeat that for the right. All right, look at that. That is gorgeous. Next up, we're going to take the rubber stopper, and basically it's just going to slide right over the centerpiece just like that. You'll see there's a hole that aligns there, and we're going to use one of those flanged 6mm screws. So it's got that larger head there to hold it in place. All right, and that is what the completed assembly should look like. Alright, at this stage, if you wanted to, you can connect these leads. There are 2 ends up to each lead. The smaller one is going to go into the sensor. It doesn't really matter which cable goes in which, they are identical. Alright, and with those leads attached, let's get this on the rest of the frame. Alright, with the frame out here, you can see there are these little posts on either side, here and here, and those are going to slide in just like this to help hold it in place and align it. Make sure that you get it just right, and then what we'll do is we'll use 4mm screws here, so we'll need 4 of them, and then an 8mm screw down here. I don't know if you can see it, right down here, to hold it in place. All right, look at that. That is just awesome. All right, next up we get to test the sensors here, and we're going to want to take this circuit board and we're going to connect it much like you see here, with the sensor plugged in here and the power here. And as it is, you should see a red and green light. And then you'll take something thin. I'm just using the magazine here, and we'll slide it into the sensor, and you can see the green light goes off. Remove the sensor, remove the piece, and the green light comes back on. So I have a successful test of the left sensor, I'm going to unplug it, plug the right one in, and we'll give that a test too. All right, right sensor is plugged in, and look at that. Perfect testing. And look at that, stage 83 is complete. We've got another successful test of some more electronics, and this interior frame is just looking incredible. I get more excited every issue here, so I'm really not sure how else to express that. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.